right, welcome to the Calorimetry Burn Lab that we are doing in chemistry today. And here's the worksheet that we're going to do. You have a variety of chips to choose from. The one I am doing for the lab today is the Cool Ranch Doritos. And extra info for the materials is my wonderful beaker of water for my matches when I go to light the chip. And I have pre-recorded the mass of my watch glass, my paper clips, and my Dorito chip, as well as recorded the initial temperature of 19.7 degrees Celsius. So I'm using my wonderful handy dandy lighter just for a little bit more safety while I'm recording, but I'm gonna go ahead and light this. And if your chip burns out, you wanna go ahead and relight it. But as it's burning, we're just gonna kind of measure the temperature and watch it as it burns, trying to get that temperature. And if you're high speed, we probably can go ahead and heat this up and kind of heat up some other edges of our chip. I think I always pick the hardest one first to do. There we go. And I always have to let admin know that we're burning in case the fire alarms go off today. So there we go. And we want to get that test tube as close to that flame as possible. Be mindful of your test tube. We're going to have to do some scrubbing if it chars and gets all black, just so you know. Just kind of looking at that temperature going up. The heat, the calories in our food. This kind of goes with our cellular respiration, the glucose and all that good stuff is converted into ATP energy. If you're a bio student, for chemistry purposes today, we are calculating the joules of heat that my chip, my food source, is releasing. You can kind of see that temperature spike real quick. Ooh. There we go. All right. All right, there we go. Whew. We got some fumes going. Excellent, excellent. Now, at the end, we have the initial, or now final temperature. And pop it back up real quick. And make sure we absorb all that heat coming off. And do some major cleanup. Go ahead and make sure that swirls. Get all that heat. Sorry. All right. And what we'll do is we will take the mass of our watch plate, paper clips, and the remains of our chip in our calculations. You guys see that temperature still going up. You just want to give it a couple seconds and freeze that. All right, so my final temperature is 56.3. Ooh, 56.4. All right, we want to get that. Yeah, let's stick with the 56.3. That's our final temperature. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to finish calculating and doing our data table and do some calculations. Don't forget to answer the very bottom questions of our lab. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed.